find, lock, or erase a lost Android device if you lose an Android phone or tablet, or Wear OS watch. You can find, lock, or erase it. If you've added a Google account to your device, Find My device is automatically turned on. Learn how to make sure that your device can be found if it gets lost. To find, lock, or erase an Android phone, that phone must be turned on, be signed into a Google account, be connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi, be visible on Google Play, have location turned on, have Find My device turned on. If you used your lost phone for two-step verification, you must have a backup phone or backup code. Remotely find, lock, or erase. Go to android.com/find and sign into your Google account. If you have more than one phone, click the lost phone at the top of the screen. If your lost phone has more than one user profile, sign in with a Google account that's on the main profile. Learn about user profiles. The lost phone gets a notification. On the map, you'll get info about where the phone is. The location is approximate and might not be accurate. If your phone can't be found, you'll see its last known location, if available. Pick what you want to do. If needed, first click Enable Lock and Erase. Play sound. Rings your phone at full volume for 5 minutes, even if it's set to silent or vibrate. Secure device. Locks your phone with your PIN, pattern, or password. If you don't have a lock, you can set one. To help someone return your phone to you, you can add a message or phone number to the lock screen. Erase device. Permanently deletes all data on your phone, but might not delete SD cards. After you erase, Find My device won't work on the phone. Important: if you find your phone after erasing, you'll likely need your Google account password to use it again. Learn about device protection. Tip: if you've linked your phone to Google, you can find or ring it by searching for Find My Phone on google.com. Description is in detail.